There we go. That's what we see. We're good.
Good job.
Never did the exact same thing for the long, right? All right.
Oh, that's impossible. My second was driver's license.
Driver's license.
I'm gonna watch out for next week.
Just follow Mater into town to get ready. Mater!
Coming, Sheriff! Howdy! Here for the big race, huh? It's gonna be fun! Hey, here you go, tractor Kipling. It's easy. Just sneak up on us. Ready? Don't let Frank catch you. Huh?
We have a visitor.
We're all visitors on this planet.
Hippie.
In Radiator Springs.
Not only need to be fast,
You need to look fast. Ka-chow! Ramon!
Ramon picked you up, right? Looking good. Get me back. All right.
I'm ready to fight.
Good luck, man. Come on in, rookie. Shiny paint don't win a race. Now get out there and do it.
Make this the most glorious race of your life.
Uno for the money, due for the shop. Try to get ready and quattro to go!
Wow! Great race, everybody!
But who won?
We did, Peter!
How you figure?
Because we made new friends.
We won! Shoot, new friends is way better than a trophy. Can't talk with a trophy. Can't go tractor tipping with no trophy. You can't.
Peter!
I'm done.
Now listen. Vehicle stops, please exit to your left. Remember, hold your personal belongings. And as long as you're in my town, have a great time.
Oh, it's so funny.
In good